AMC stock analysis and AMC stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in the space that's done 40,000 videos and has proof of everything, so I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Especially AMC Entertainment Holdings, man, it's $3.05. Unless there is a double break here and a confirmation, but I'm not willing to take it further up. You know what I mean? Like, what this means is that if there is a double break like this, obviously I'm looking to take it further up. If not, bro, I would not care whatsoever. Like, not caring whatsoever, just waiting for my rules. And I'm really patient. Like, the same premise behind this is we broke structure crazy up, and now it's in a beautiful demand zone. You know what I mean? So I do have a lot of previous receipts with AMC myself. 42 results pop up. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading and want to stay tuned with AMC, click the first link in the description, get my free emails. It's actually quite simple, but we just need more data. We need more candles, you know what I mean? So goodbye and enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.